Changing your username on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Wise website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section of the interface. Step 3. Select username change option. In the account settings, find the option for changing your username. This may be labeled as edit username or something similar. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements, such as length or character restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new username, look for a Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Now you can enjoy your new username on Wise. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.